with you.
Hey, glad you came back. So today I'm making a lemon vinaigrette, right? I wanted some scallops. I wanted to pan sear some scallops, but I needed a sauce to go with it. And what goes better with seafood than lemons? So I'm making a lemon vinaigrette. I hope you enjoy this. This is what we got. I know you saw the thumbnail. I'm already salivating. Got some extra vinaigrette here in the little mug here. You just put a little bit on this. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, I can't wait to get into this. I hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned and watch how we do this. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. So, what we have here, we have 1 garlic clove that's been minced. We have about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We have about a tablespoon of dried parsley. You can use fresh if you want. We have about a teaspoon or so of honey, half a teaspoon of salt, about 3/4 of a teaspoon to a teaspoon of black pepper. We have a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and a 1/2 cup of oil. We're using canola oil here. And then we have a little jar, a little mason jar that we're going to mix this in just to make it a little easier. Let's get to it. Now when you're making your vinaigrettes, right, using vinegar, oil, right, what you want to do, the ratio goes like this, okay, just real quick, real simple. 1 part of your vinegar or your acid, right? Whether it be lemon juice, lime juice, your vinegars, whether it be white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, white wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar. 1 part that to 2 parts oil. Okay? So twice as much oil as you have of your acids. Okay? That's going to balance out your vinaigrette. Okay? So that's why I use the portions that I use. Now, other things you put in it is up to you for your flavor profile. Now, let's go ahead and get this mixed up. Now, place the jar on a paper plate, right? Because I want to avoid as much of the mess as I can, right, for cleaning off the counter. So here, let's add our lemon juice. That goes in. We're going to carefully add our oil. All right. And our salt, pepper, our parsley flakes. Now we're going to add our garlic. Get the garlic in there. Okay. Add our Dijon. And that's going to help emulsify it. Right? And also our honey for a little sweetener. There we go. Now at this point, all we want to do is put the lid on. And then we're going to shake it up. Now we're just going to take this guy and just shake it. Now you can whisk it, right? But that's just, it's too difficult. Well, not too difficult. It's too much work. This is much easier. Just to put it in a jar and just shake it. So you have some emulsifying. Yep. So you can shake it to your heart's content. Hey, and if you have little ones around the house and they want to help, put the lid on this and let them shake it. Can't go wrong with the extra help. Okay, so it's good enough. Now let me get some tasting chopsticks here. I have a taste of chopsticks. And we're going to taste this to see if we need to add anything else. Let's see. Nope, that's good. Now, this, you can put this in the refrigerator and it'll hold, well, for the best flavor, I would say use it within a week. But if you have to, you can give it 2 weeks or maybe even longer, but I've never made this and it's lasted longer than a week. I mean, it's the way it is. Put it in the fridge before you use it, shake it up again, and you're good to go. Let's see what we got. So here we have just a quick little lemon vinaigrette. I put on some scallops. I wanted some scallops, so I pan-seared some scallops. If you want to know how I pan-sear my scallops, hey, check my channel. The recipe's there. Also, if you like this, give me a thumbs up for this nice, quick, simple recipe. If you haven't subscribed, hey, join the peanut gallery. You know, our arms are open, and we'll leave the light on for you so you can find your way home. Also, if we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shrashira, look for the gray cat, and let's connect. And always, if you can, share me out. Really appreciate that. That being said, this is Shrashira. I am out.